Alright, me trim. Then we had party none of us. Yes, I was saying me a jollof because my friend, my brother. She me go down soon. Me bobo prophecy ni bia. Me koda. Akra. My glasses in there doper than the word dope. I know man. Oh guys, any dope and come there be see the cheremo. It's It's only $200. If you have $200, you can't remember with dollars. Oh, $200 pay. Oh, $200. Oh, wait me out Ozabi because it's Zopa and Zob. I'm let me dream you. Oh, $200 pay. You can do it. You can do it.
It's currently switched off. Please try later. The MTN number you are calling is currently switched off.
Please try later. Tracy, who friend Quebec's woman? Tracy, she feel too much. Onyame Shira Abraham. Oshene Bobiza. Obema Nazia. What can I be? Sanya Nasi. My game no koi. Rahel, obi a me wo share that through me letter. E pa ma cho se fia me pa cho didi matem. Na men trend dia manye. Enti ono aya live video no come as ma for semester so. Anye me nim ponche ho adaje. Enka me tisirem. Look at me. 2021, I don't have time for poor people. Poor people. That's not the year. I feel a million here for me, at that time for broke people. Broke. Will be a $100,000 when I count will be undeserving attention. Rachel, you get me? You feel me? Will be only $100,000. I want account to be an undeserving an iota of my attention. Thank you. Me dimi sika also will be a dude. Period. I don't have time for foolish people. Foolish. Me so will be a wapa macho. Adam de let an better woman wana. Will be a wapa me dear one be pamacho and patro did my time I'm entering there. Would you not baby did you at the mouse also? Yay! It's a different conversation now.
26 pesos for 60 days and subscribe at 65 pesos for
Don't come here and even ask of foolish people. Don't come here. Madam, I want now the little girls have a kind. And I'm a friend of Papa Cosa. As I'm a boy, and so I'm a boy. I'm a promotional first squad member. Yeah, see if I'm ready. You get to Nassau Mobile room there. Barbecue cost, so it will be of your own interest to say won't go other band if I start via the Bebanebra. Style would the Bebana Fabra because adults only sitting. Aye.
If you go and as a precise venue, yeah, me shall tiny is over. Masu Brian Danabalaba. Likan Tobre Ayan Derebe. Entry. Have number for me. Me say within 2 seconds. Because me kumako 20 they bring me there. Me Becky can see any see na. You very na. Me a menya gout a doctor say my marina. One camp okay. You wanna see my verse? No. Ga 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 ga
Please try again.
How? Ay. Mama, if you any or any pe. If you any how better no. Rasta. Tiny batch or barbecue, but see how I. Go to Wabima. I the Monica. Ah? Quite now, quite mammy who. So you said, don't need it. I am emotional around. Me peshisha no. Huh? Okay, find my bike. Me the Mary number mouth. Yes. I. Not just a woman. But my shisha quantity. My friend Shaba could do shisha de many people. That's a shisha kwami will be with you. So na minimum so. Aye. And 2 days sending me shisha quantity. That's sending me. No on farmer. Why? And for a flavor and for Bibiama bike in the memory. All right, bye. Ishaba could you? Number you are. How do I do that? Pat or recorder. It seems yeah, Maggie can see any. Or recorder. My main friend do say ice cream. And it's very important. Very important. Say, the ice cream, pepper. That's minim party, minim party of okay. The first surprise me now, I have to make that. Because that one now, I'm here. Arrangement in the area. Damn it! I've been sending a supply ice cream to America.
The whole world over.
I tell you. Patron, may I barbecue where we are? Aye. You must start to bed 3-4.
More.
Nephew. Sprinters. My new house.
Oh, what about back to Sprinters?
Achimota, they send me quiet Juma Keke.
Okay.
And to me quiet Juma Buffy de Bia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then whatever I'll do to make sure it gets to you, Baba.
Now what the umba?
Welcome to you.
Bye. Make really turkey though. Make really turkey and a chicken.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
And make yourself available.
I will.
Thank you.
I definitely will.
Thank you. See you soon. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Why are you not my friend? I'm sleepy. My eyes ain't good. I'm tired. Because I'm by me die. No man, no man. My different phones was coming to me now. Let me call my chef. They said they are a party. Oh yeah. Kai. Obi anywhere see your present. Obi anywhere see. Baddest. Now one case a Friday over. Oh, me barbecue, me hand salad. And to catch up with you more for this, I know my appointment, period.
Oh, okay.
Okay, all right. Do you know why I'm not reading the messages, to be honest? I'm not reading the messages because maybe I can't read it. Zombie a movie.
Remember not to share your mobile money pin under any circumstance. It's your secret. If you're in doubt, call one. The number you called has not answered. Please call back later.
Over there. Oh yeah, I'm power. Oh yeah. I said, baby, I'm at. Yummy, yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck.
Press star 1 to copy
Me, I don't make fun. I just came back from church.
days and subscribe at 65 pesos for 30 days. Hello, ma.
Hey, me card the way, yeah.
Ma.
I just saying.
Papa tell you what.
Okay, I think comment to I feel say no one will not to me. I didn't do that all as I wanted it. Me see me here barbecue until catch a squad and I Bobby must start it 3. Branton the baby meeting with your money. Catch a squad. Madam, mobile family cocoa in the brain matter. And you dear water. Would you be brand new soon for another brain matter? Bye bye. I feel the medium chamber, baby. I'm a bumpire. Wow. I feel Uncle San Wabbedy Roby and I'm a man in your back. No, who were yesterday? One in your namu. I can't find a friend, Nicoda. You know, my dream, you, my girl. Enough for phone answer. Mama cough, mama cough, mama cough. Quick, you won't have feels. Mama calf. Afia Schwar.
I don't want to
Afia said, "Dear, if you know me, who could ask Massy and Franco come field to me a barbecue? Lawyer, see and Franco come me into me a barbecue. I was giant in Amazon. Oh, say none of it like and now with the embargo to New say 2021 we know. The iron here, you jack.
Why are now we're not let it out? We're not kick out, I know, and some more
and you know, me a barbecue, we need some around her. I want to do a better cry. Then the moon so more bantu. Nene, Patrick. Aye. Talk of 50 mama. And you know. Why? Alright. Good mornings, good afternoons. Inside your chain if you. Okay, I gotta go, guys. I mean, we will come back. Yeah, more. Baby. You need to hear this. Come. Can't listen to Nigel Gaisie. Nigel, I love you. The most beautiful thing that ever happened to my soul. God, you smell so fucking good. Yes. You bath. You smell like cocoa butter.
That's what I use.
I know. God, you smell so good. And you're beautiful.
I did what you said because I used that cream.
Raise people of fire. I said,
Oh, Debbie, not the person posting. Yeah, look at Grandpa now. It's got the same dog like ours.
Let me see.
Debbie, and then person.
Go in. The Lord appeared to me.
No.
And the Lord gave me 3 mandates.
That's not what I want to first.
Where is Mr. Drew?
Mr. Drew, actually, let me call him.
Go and work.
When you're training, see phone.
Mommy, when was Mary's time?
Maybe it's
The world.
David. Maybe listen.
Traditional area and it. Let prophecy number 3. Prophecy number 4.
See her in the way here.
Nami ever. Against Philippines against worst tsunami ever. Let's pray for America and
Baba, did you hear that?
Philippines against worst tsunami ever. Let's pray for America.
Akuapem.
Philippines against worst tsunami ever. Let's pray for America and Paris. Pray for Philippines against worst tsunami ever. Let's pray for
Menya. I'll listen. Your mom pay my Philippines.
go and work. The Lord appeared to me.
Nigel Gaisie, I did. Oh no, the Lord appeared to mine. Baba, when they bring the chicken, you know what you're supposed to do. You are Brian, right? You Brian, your uncle is coming. I've invited your uncles that they should come and check your wenchy business. You know, Chef James. Who call you Chef? Abochi James. You are laughing. Abochi James, the chain, Chef James. Abochi James. EB Fozen. Call me. Who?
Bring it.
Chicken is here? The chicken is here? So what are we going to do to the chicken?
We are going to fry it.
Going to fry it?
Eat it.
Honey.
Thank you.
What are you going to do to the chicken?
We are going to fry it.
And the turkey?
I thought you were going to call Mr. Drew.
And I'm not a baby son. Ayapa. Ayamaku. 10. Mary. Kofa bag and I'm the class or in a bra. Isa. Thank you very much, okay? God bless you. Now you know the house. So when I say I did house come, she will come and open the door. I don't have the remote.
Mommy, I got to work.
I should call Mr. Drew.
Not say it loud.
Mr. Drew. I don't know if he's alive or dead. Probably he's asleep. You know, Christmas is like very...
Mommy writes me Jew.
Christmas is very busy for him. Every musician actually. They get to work, they got to go to shows. Osibo, how are you? Happy New Year. I miss you. Brefie. Andra me yeden. Nami. Send me quite sorry. I saw in another car seeing me call live when daytime. It said the baby I'm oh, send me first sorry no. Me was sorry. Me was sorry. Ena. Me was sorry. Me was sorry no wakunta ba say. Ma check. Me was sorry near the black and some of the be feel right. Double black. Ever sorry there must say match. enti me break and then sorry kwa the Bible class ye free sorry na just sorry no bad ya hwe ni enti saa ne ko wie ba ma ba fie me ye barbecue penasi I should call you like a must Mary sister scanner they was printers maybe account bad may send you location as a that it was I'm saying his was through just when you spring the summer and it was me work and then I never Starboy then I never and then I never how we made the hazard now I gave you her hey sir I saw it now, ba. So I was over trying to. It's me that say. The Bunju Beach. Over 18, oh baby. Me send you location. Me send you location. Why? Alright, see you. Bye. Okay, your boyfriend is coming. Can you take my bag upstairs?
It's gonna be a long It's going to be a long
Okay, then leave the bag. Leave it here. I'm going up.
Mom, that's going away.
I'm going upstairs. I'm going to nap for like an hour.
I'm going to sleep.
What's that one best one? May a small catch him say long walk.
Let me go.
No, put it down. I'm going up. I have to send us to Mr. Drew, then I go up.
What?
Location.
Okay. So when he comes out, he'll call you. Okay.
I need a shower.
Then go and shower.
That's what I'm going to do. It's too hot. And then change my clothes and I'll see you guys later. We were on the prophecy.
Mommy, after this, can you listen to my song?
No,
If I have a good voice.
Let me listen to your song. Yeah.
But everybody will hear.
Yeah, no, everybody will not hear, only me.
Wait. Hurry.
James, with your hand, where you was. I was so mad and come here.
Hurry.
The song is not coming.
It's coming back.
Then let it come.
I'm trying to hear if my voice is coming.
Can't touch.
That's when I was bathing.
Oh, the song came when you were bathing.
No, I was the one who was singing it.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure this is the right one.
Honey, I'm
Maybe
waiting
it's
for
like I'm doing something.
the song. You can't tell your song.
Maybe it's like I was doing something.
Kato, shouldn't you have a problem?
It can't go anywhere.
Honey, you didn't record the song.
I did. When I start again, I heard my voice. Mommy, I'm recording.
Because I don't know how to use your tablet. I can't go.
Now, I found my song here.
Oh, come on. At least you are better than Hajia Foro and Emilia Bobe.
Mommy, I have a new voice.
Katosh, why are you looking at my child like that? Katosh. Sing. What's your new voice? Sing. Let's hear. Auntie Moisha is watching.
What's he?
She's watching. Sing your new voice. Let's hear.
I wanna be there today. You're gonna be there new today.
James is jealous.
I'm gonna feel my
You have to pause this one first.
So you're gonna be there first today.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna hold you. I wanna reach.
You sing better than Michael Jackson.
Should I run away? I wake up tonight. I must try everything. I want to try it so I can tell. I keep on making it through these days. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh, 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 oh. I want the years. I want to reach the year.
You sing better than Emilia Bobe. Yes. In fact, your talent is not out of Accra.
Mommy, I also record some inside here.
Keep it to yourself. Tomorrow we go to the studio, okay?
What studio?
To record the music. Babes, you sing
Back of
better.
the net.
If I
Back
tell
of
you
the
the people
net.
you sing better
Back of
than,
the
you won't
net.
believe it.
Back of the net.
Queen Hazel Munina, you sing better than them.
There.
Yes.
Back of the net. Back of the net.
Richie is laughing at you.
Mommy, I thought you were not his friend.
He's laughing at you.
Is he not? I thought he's not your friend.
He's my friend.
Ah!
He's laughing at you. He said your music is dope. That's
You
right.
didn't even. I didn't know
Richie,
you
you
were not
didn't
his friend.
listen to the song. Sing more. Richie said you should sing more.
I wake up tonight. I must try everything. I wanna try it so I could fail. I keep
Listen to the message.
making it
You try everything that she failed, and she keep on making it to
I wanna try it so I could fail.
your new voice.
I keep on making it to these days.
The new voice.
Try everything.
I went the shade the enemy. You sing. You actually sing better than Wendy Shea. Yeah. I was a rough time. Yes, I know.
Mommy,
Yes.
Snow, she also keep vomiting.
Who?
Snow.
Yeah, I've called the vets to come and
She
take
can't
it.
even move her leg.
She's dying.
Mommy,
You,
look.
Penna, you sing better than Wendy Shea. I mean,
Mommy, when
Bullet
Hey,
must sign
Mommy.
you. You sing better than Fantana
Mommy,
too.
the night when I was the one who carried her to the food.
To eat.
Yes, she can't walk again.
Hey,
Mommy, look, this leg. Mommy,
she's got
the
a leg
right leg.
like mine. Mine is the left leg.
Mom, please, stop.
I will play, but I just want to tell you that your talent, you are talented than Wendy Shea, okay?
Okay.
You are talented than Fantana.
Okay.
You are talented.
Santana.
You don't even know her. She was trying to sing. She's a very beautiful girl. If you see her legs and her body, oh my goodness, she's so beautiful, but she can't sing.
Hey.
Yes. And you are talented than Sefa. Sefa GH. She's a very beautiful girl. She can't sing.
She can also not sing.
They are trying to be musicians. They are not.
Mommy, can you?
And you are talented than Emilia Bobe in singing. She's talented in crying. And of course, in still,
She's crying.
she likes crying and she likes stealing chains when she go to London.
Ah.
Yeah, she's talented in that side too.
She doesn't. She steals chain.
Yeah, she stole it in a shop. I wasn't there.
Oh,
Yeah,
I didn't know her.
No,
Yes.
I will show you when we see her. I'll show you.
I thought you said when it was in the morning and I woke up, I thought you said you don't know me.
Yeah, I was just saying I don't know you because I didn't know you. You've gone so tall. My daughter, you've gone so tall.
I've just seen the dress before.
It looks like I've seen it before.
You have! You bought it!
Really? I don't remember.
Okay.
So who are you? Did I buy you tablet?
Yes.
I don't remember.
Okay. Wait a minute. You see if the same face is about you. If I have the same picture of you.
Yes, I know maybe before Kobonyo.
Okay.
We are branching kana. Yatitini fear.
You remember when I was a baby, right?
I do remember that somebody had a baby.
You!
The name, I'm not. That woman is called Afia Schwar.
Okay, how about this? Do you have some of this wig?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
What I know.
Fast and affordable rides at the tap of a button.
When I'm in the club, I want all the bottles. They are called the Gucci, Gucci.
You will it.
You will be.
Enjoy your day. Yes, bro. Oh my goodness, he's calling me. Mike. I know how going. Because my friend is may have barbecue.
Okay.
She better. 3 o'clock. Port. And the kitchen shop I saw mommy back home.
Okay.